Dear students, this is class 5, chapter 3, multiples and factors. Now I am going to give explanation about prime factorization with highest common factor. First, let us see the examples first. Question number 1. Find the prime factors of 45 using the prime factorization method. Already I explained. Prime factorization means first we have to find the factor of 45, then prime numbers. So first take 45. We can use two method. But listen, I will explain two method. 45 is equal to, from the smallest table you can go, 3 15s or 45. You know very well 3 is a prime number. So just you stopped. 3 is a prime number, I stopped. This is 2, this 3 is finished. 15 is not a prime number. So what we have to do? We have to write again, make a prime number. So 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Now you see 3 is also prime number, 5 also prime number. So 45 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. This is one method. Step 2, 45 you take, this is like a LCM method. So 45 you take, first which table is possible? Table 5 is possible, that means 5. Which table you are going to use? 5. When you will say the table 5, which number you are taking? 5 9s or 45. Now 5 is a prime number, but 9 is not a prime number, so we have to write again. So 9 means which table is possible? Table 3. So 3 3s are 9. Here 3 is a prime number. Here also 3 is a prime number. So what here? 3 means one more 3 is remaining. So which one is possible? 3. So 3 ones are 3. So 45 is equal to 5 is a prime number. Next 3 also prime number. Next 3 also prime number. This is the method of prime factorization of 45. Example 2, question is 36. This is also we are going to use prime factorization method. Step 1, 36 is equal to 2 multiplied by 18 is equal to 36. Now this 2 is a prime number, but 18 is not a prime number. So what we have to do? Again we can make. That means 2 9s are 18. Now this 2 is a prime number, but 9 is not a prime number. So these two is completed. 9. How we can write? 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Now you see this 2 is a prime number. Again this 2 is a prime number. 3 and 3 is a prime number. So 36 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. This is a prime factorization of 36. Again you take here 36 like a LCM method. So 36, which table is easy? Table 3, which number? 3 12s are 36. Now this 3 is a prime number, but 12 is not a prime number. So how we can write? Again table 3 is possible. 3 4s are 12. Now next 3 is a prime number, but 4 is not a prime number. Again you have to put the box. Next 4 means which table? Table 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 is a prime number. These 2 also prime number. So if you want to stop this much, this is no need. If you want to stop this much, you can write. But we have to write all the numbers. That means 36 is equal to 3 multiply 2 multiply these 2. So 36 is equal to, this is an answer. This is the highest common factor. Short form HCF. Listen, first whatever number is given, first we have to find the factor. First we have to find the factor, then common factor, then highest common factor. 3 things we have to do. So first look at the question. Find the highest common factor of 12 and 18. What I told, first we have to find the factor. So factors of 12. First take one number 12. Then we have to find the factor. You know very well how to find. When you will say the table, that answer is a factor. So how many times we can return? 1 12s are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. This much only. Next, factors of 18. 18 means 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18. Listen, now we have done factor. Next we are going to write means factors of 12. What are the numbers? That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. This is the factors of 12. Next factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. I have written. Next we are going to take common factors. Common factors means both numbers should be same. In this factor of 12 and factors of 18. 1 is the same, so I have taken 1. 2 is the same number, so I have taken is like a common factor. Next 3, then 4 it is not here, then 6. This is a common factors. Next, in this common factor, which number in the highest place? 6 is the highest number. So what is the highest common factor? Number 6. Answer is the highest common factor of 12 and 18 are 6. Next example 4. Question. Find the highest common factor of 35 and 49 using the prime factorization method. You know very well prime factorization method. I used first one. So first step is very easy. So 35 means which table? Fifth table. So 7 5s are 35. 7 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. So no need to do again. So 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35. Stop. Next to 49. 49 means 7 7s are 49. 7 also prime number. Again 7 also prime number. So it is easy. So first now we find factor we found. This is a factor. Next we are going to take common factor. Common means here also 7, here also 7. So which is a common factor? 7. So that is also same. Highest common factor also 7. So answer is the highest common factor of 35 and 49 is 7. This is we used prime factorization method. That's why this method is. This is exercise 3.2. Option A, find the highest common factor by finding all the factors. This is like a example 3. Next one we found the highest common factor, first example. First we have to find the factor of 15. First find the factor of 15, then 30. Then we have to take a common factor, then highest common factor. Like that you have to do for all the sums. If 3 sums means first you have to find the common factor for 20, next for 50, next for 90. Then you have to take the common factor, then highest common number you have to take. Option B, find the highest common factor using the prime factorization method. You can use any method. That means 10 and 15. First, if you want to take 10 means how you can write? 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number. Next is 16. 16 means 2 8s are 16. 2 is a prime number, but 8 is not a prime number. Again you have to write 8 means 2 4s are 8. 2 is a prime number. Again 4 is not a prime number. So 4 we have to take again. 2 2s are 8. Like that you have to find and write the highest common factor. This exercise 3.2 you have to do in your classwork copy. If you have any doubt, you can send the mail. Next we are going to see the word problems. Question number 1. Pavan wants to plant 48 onion plants and 32 cabbage plants in his vegetable garden. What is the greatest number of rows possible if each row has the same number of onion plants and the same number of cabbage plants? Look at the solution. One thing is given. Greatest number means highest. So what we are going to find? Highest common factor. So look at the question. Onion plants 48, cabbage plants 32. So highest common factor means first we have to find the factor. So factor of 48. So how many times we can return? 148s are 48, 224s are 48, 316s are 48, 412s are 48 and 68s are 48. Next we are going to find for factor of 32. So the factor of 32, 132s are 32, 216s are 32, 48s are 32. So I am going to write. Listen, 48 means what are the factors? 1, 1, 1, 2, 24, 48, 3, 4, 12, 16, 6, 8. This is a factors of 48. Next 32. 32 means 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Next we are going to take the common factor. Common factor means in the 48 you see on the top I have written 48. 1 and 1 is a common factor. Next 2 is a common factor. 3 it is not here. 4 is a common factor. 8 is a common factor and 16 is a common factor. So in this common factor, which number is the highest common? 16. So the highest common factor of 48 and 32 is 16. Question number 2. Sanjay has 15 toffees, Raj has 20 and Sanjana has 25 toffees. Each of them wants to make pockets to toffees so that there are an equal number of toffees in each packet with no toffee left behind. How many maximum toffees should be there in each packet? Look at the solution. This is also greatest number we have to find. That means highest common factor. So first we have to write factor of 15. So you know 1 15s are 15, 3 5s are 15. Next factor of 20. 1 20s are 20, 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20. Next factors of 25. 1 25s are 25, 5 5s are 25. Next we have to write all the numbers. 15 is equal to 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 15. Factors of 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Next factors of 25, 1, 5, 25. 5 is repeated now, so no problem. Next we are going to take the common factor. Common factor means 1, then 5. So which number is the highest common factor? Yes, almost 5 is the highest common factor. My dear children, this is exercise 3.2. You can do only 10 sums also you can do. Please complete your work. When you will come to the online classes, that time I will ask a question. Exercise 3.2 and word problems question number 1 and 2 you have to do it in your classwork.